What was really exciting about IRE 2026 was this is the biggest show we've ever had. We had over 700 exhibitors participating. We have over 165 educational sessions, hands-on demonstrations, and exhibitor demonstrations on the show floor. It's been amazing for people to connect, get together, and network with colleagues, friends, and meet new people to further their business.
We also continued our efforts with the Hispanic Initiative and making sure we were working closely with our Latino partners and communicating to folks in Spanish and sending out communications about the show, as well as providing educational resources to this group, because we know that that's really important to the industry.
The reason that I am come to the IRE is because I connect with a lot of people. They help me. I know the new on technology, the new products, and this is how I start my business.
Your network is only as good as your network. So if you don't have the right network here, every vendor, every supplier, every particular product that is new before it hits the market, every new technology that it comes out, it starts here.
As a roofing contractor, this event is something that's helped propel my business into the future and given me the best practices to take back to my business and apply it, and also come and share best practices I've learned with the industries.
Throughout the years I have been coming, I have developed the best relationships with truly the best people. This industry is loaded full of wonderful, wonderful, amazing humans, and it's like a family reunion almost when I come here, because I see so many people that have become like family to me.
The reason we exhibit at IRE is a great opportunity to really establish connections with so many different businesses that we do business with, and it gives us the ability not only to present our product, but to even create relationships here at the event.
We are a proud exhibitor here at IRE. We exhibit because this year is especially cool for us. We started out west in Nevada, Friendly, Nevada, and we've now expanded into 6 plants, but it's always great to get back to the West Coast. And we're proud to be here and talk about it and be a member of this industry.
IRE is something that we look forward to every year. It's the biggest roofing convention in the United States, and so for us it's an opportunity to exhibit all the new materials, products that are upcoming for the year. And most importantly, I think for us, it's an opportunity to network directly with our customers, our clientele, our business partners, our vendors, learn what they're doing that's new, learn ways that we might be able to partner, and have some fun doing it.
We hope to see everybody back next year. As a reminder, our show will stay right here in Great Las Vegas, and our show dates will be February 16th through the 18th, 2027.